A circle is shaped where boundary is of a same distance from the center. Radius is any line segment between a circle's boundary and its center. Chord is a line segment whose endpoints are on a boundary of a circle, but chord that passes through the center is a diameter. So diameter is actually 2 times radius. Circumference is full boundary of a circle. Let's have an in-depth understanding of circumference. We have made some copies of diameter. We have few diameters with us. Now we will wrap these diameters around a circle. And we will check that how many diameters wrap around a circle. So after wrapping 3 diameters, a small space is left. This small space is around 14% of a complete diameter. So we wrapped 3.14 diameters around a circle. So you can say circumference is 3.14 diameter. This 3.14 is termed as a value of pi, and regardless of the circle size, this ratio remains the same. So we can say that for every circle, length of circumference is equal to pi times the length of diameter. And we can write a formula. Circumference is equal to pi d, where d is 2r. So it can be written 2 pi r. Now we know that pi is the ratio of circumference with diameter. It tells us that how many times longer is a circle's circumference than its diameter. What is the circumference if radius is 6? And we have the options. The formula is 2 pi r. So if the answer is in terms of pi, we just have to multiply 2 with 6. It's 12 pi. If circumference is 14 pi, what's the radius? You know the value of circumference and you know the formula of circumference. Now you can equate both of these to get the value of r. 14 pi is equal to 2 pi r. Keeping r on one side, 14 pi divided by 2 pi, radius is 7. What is the formula for area of a circle? If you divide circle into thin slices and then you take up all these slices and then line them together and join them to see what shape we get. If your slices are very thin and you put all of them together, then you can see that they would form a rectangle. It's very interesting to know that this side of rectangle is actually the radius of a circle from the side of the needle, and length of the rectangle above and below is a complete circumference made up of this part of slice. Half of circumference is above and half of circumference is below. Circumference is 2 pi r. Divide with 2 to make half of it. So pi r is the length of one side. Now in terms of these variables, what is the area of this rectangle? Base into height. Base is pi r and height is r. So area is pi r square. This rectangle has the same area as that of a circle. So we can say that area of a circle is pi r square. If radius is 4, what is the circumference and area? Do it by your own, it's very easy.